слышите гимн Лаумисекс? Пение эстонского гимна приготовились!
My name is Badr. I'm the Estonian national coach and also the head coach of Sawi Taekwondo Club. Today here we are for the Estonian national summer camp, which gather all Estonian clubs, and it's around over 160 sportsmen we do have right now here. Around 3 trainings every day, different groups of ages and also different levels, advanced and also beginners. That's also give us like the chance to work with them closely and also to evaluate the level for our sportsmen and to prepare them for the coming events. Important that in Taekwondo, first of all, it comes discipline, plus that you have really like to develop your flexibility, coordination and balance. There is new rules for Taekwondo for sparring competition, and I think that it will be a good opportunity to explain and to present those rules. Other clubs and also other coaches and also people who are interested about Taekwondo to join our training clubs and also to join our camps. I believe that you're going to enjoy the training with our teams and with our coaches. Thank you.